I am the CEO of the project.
I'm the CTO for this project.
My role in this project is CTO.
My role in this project is the Chief Marketing Officer.
I joined the course with my friends as I was excited to learn the code with their presence, but I found myself enjoying the course.
I was excited to work with my friends on a completely functional app that will be available for people to download on their app store.
I'm really excited to work with my friends to code and work together to produce our app. It's really a new and interesting experience for all of us, and I find it very exciting.
So over the course of SCP, we learned a lot from YJ, and I really want to apply as many things we learned from him into our app. When we came up with the app idea, we first made as many ideas that we want. So we gathered info from all my group members. We compiled it and see what idea is suitable and feasible for us to make.
Our initial idea was an app that could allow users to take photos and keep track of items all around their house.
We thought that the idea was too general, and hence we changed it to our current app idea.
We actually formed our app idea when we realized that our families were always dependent on our parents to keep track of food items and locations. In order to lighten the load on our parents, we decided to create an app to help them manage the food items in our kitchens.
This app was mainly made for housewives and people who regularly shop for grocery.
There were many difficulties. We couldn't decide on an app idea, and I feel that there are many apps that already exist in our society.
We really wanted to try to implement as many things as we could into our idea, but after trying to do bits and pieces of everything of the features, we realized that some of it was not really easy to do or feasible for us to do.
I was involved in the making of the UI, and it was a struggle to be able to make the app look visually appealing and not too clustered.
We struggled to come up with a feasible design that was both visually appealing and practical for the app's use case.
There were many considerations that took place as such, and we needed to consult many people to ultimately determine the outcome for our app.
When we tried to code for the app, we realized how difficult it was to try to implement some of these features that we also wanted.
There were also many instances where some of us were not able to meet deadlines, and this slowed our programs down. However, there were many things that went very well as well. For the most part, I personally enjoyed the energy my team has when involved in the discussion.
I feel that the final design of our user interface was really nice.
And besides that, we also managed to get our widgets after the long hours. We managed to get the design to look good and also managed to work.
Overall, I think making this app was an insightful experience, and it was enjoyable to work with teammates that I'm familiar with.
The overall journey of making this app was a really emotional roller coaster, but overall at least for me, I had a lot of fun and I learned a lot from it.
However, I think that something that should be improved for all of us is that we should have managed our time more wisely and not have procrastinated the completion of the app.
Looking back, I think that if we had met our deadlines, we would be able to work more efficiently and effectively. I think the app's UI can still be redesigned better.